Hello friends, I'm going to introduce you today Vestige Private Limited site. Vestige, as you know, Vestige is a direct selling company in India with the first number in India right now in 2020, and it's a 30th number across the world. So I just go with the first India site, and then the part 2, part 3, part 4 will come with the different countries site. So you can be habitual about it and you can search things on the site itself. So on the browser you have to type myvestige.com, so you'll get a site on this like this, and every time whenever you open a site you will always find a flash news which is going on every month. It can be change, it's keep changing every month, whatever the best thing for the consumer of the Vestige can take. So right now in India they have started the mini DLC program. If you have a your own residential or the shop, you can opt for it because it will give you good business growth. So I will close it and I will go through the site. Here on this, if you see, you always get some information about the what they are looking, what they want to communicate with you. Sorry. And on the tab, if you see home, home is this page, then the company, about the about Vestige management, business opportunity, success story, then the products, what are the products available in that country, and very as I remember the country. So here are the countries. If you see, this is India flag and it shows the name. If you click on this, you'll get all the countries where the Vestige has is started its operation. So as per the flag, you can click on the flag and it will automatically take you on the that country site. So today we are going to talk about India site. So we are just going, I'm just going brief introduction of the India site. So I request everyone who is joining Vestige, even if you're not joined the Vestige, you try to go on the site and just explore it very well. This is Mr. Gautam Bali sir, who is the MD of Vestige. And as I was telling, this is a home page. Home page always display monthly schemes, what's new, car achievers. Like this is very important, who has achieved the card. This is a monthly scheme. For example, click on the monthly scheme, it shows you what the offer in this month. Like this is today September 20, so you have a very good offer this month. Like this is an offer which is going on from the last 3 months and now extended until till October 2020. So these are the products. All either of the product, if you buy, you'll get a 25% discount on it. Wow, good. So, and if you see here, DP and PV is a contact, so you can go with it definitely. I'll not take so much time, I'll just go with it. And the second offer, okay, they have the water purifier India also. If you buy it, you immediately get a 1500 worth rupees voucher, correct? And apart from the air purifier, if you buy the air purifier, you'll get the 65% BV. If you want to know the BV, there are a lot of things to explain. We will explain you in another video. Okay, and the worth voucher of 1000 rupees. This is a consistency offer which is very, very important. Actually, Vestige has a consistency offer of the 100 PV. This is a 100 PV offer where if you buy a 100 PV product every month, on the fourth month to second and the fourth month, and get product of huge worth rupees 2500 in India. Like if you buy the 100 PV product for the 4 months, you'll get a voucher of 2500 which you can in cash. Okay, in the same way as it was 100 PV last one, this is a 60 PV offer, so you'll get a 1250 PV worth rupees voucher free, by which you can purchase a product as per your choice. Vestige special consistency offer for the September. This is very good offer. Like if you buy a product of 100 PV, 100 PV means approximately 3000 to 3500 rupees products. So if you see, if under you the 6 people has joined and they they do the same, like they buy the 100 PV product, you as a upline, you'll get a 2500 rupees product free, which is approximately 80% of your purchase. So isn't good? And this is a lucky special September lucky option. Vestige always every month give a special lucky draw. They go with the lucky draw which always happen live live nowadays because of the lockdown and the covid. They are doing live on the Facebook. So this type of offer always there, like sometime this month it is a laptop, some month there is a mobile app or different product there. So 15 lucky winners from a Vestige family always get this. And this is the this month offer. uh, I will not go with the offer. There are a lot of offers actually. If you see, I will just go fast. This is a base deal, and apart from that, on the site, if you see about the Vestige is written, it's written about the Vestige management. What are the these are the top three pillars of the company. Biz, business opportunity. If you see their marketing plan and steps to in successful is entrepreneurship, step to successful entrepreneurship. These are very actually important. Be a regular user of product, earn by sharing the product, enrich by sharing the business, enrich yourself by enriching others. And after that you can go with the product. If you click on any tool, like I will go with the home care here, for example, it will show me the home care products. Correct. So these are the products which are available with it. Correct. So you can get the home care products. Correct. So Vesticide is not that much tough. You can always go and purchase it, purchase from the product, but you cannot purchase from here. You have, we have another site, shop .mywestige.com, from where you can purchase, or they have their own apps. These are the brands. If you're looking for any specific brand, then you can get it. And brand is Lighthouse, like they have a rice brand oil and the olive oil, and this is very good option. MRP is 460 inclusive of all taxes, but don't go with the MRP. If you remember, there was an offer where the 25% was off, going on, offer is going on. And apart from that, this is MRP. If you become a distributor, you'll not get you have not to pay this much amount. Actually it's a near to 50% off right now. Brands news, what the news is going on, always there. 30th award, then the gallery is there. Vestige award functions, schedule branches. You can always find the branches from here, and download is very important to learn and earn, because if you not learn, you will not understand the basic marketing plan, and then you cannot explain it. So better, I always suggest, even still I am learning, there is huge learning things. Like they have the every month they show the product catalog. Mr. of Milan is the cosmetic products, voice, health guide, like whatever the health product they have, what is the benefit, how you can use it, everything there. Food dine marketing, this is recently launch of which they have given. Apart from that, they always have some openings related to the Vestige inside. And also, and here if you have got the login ID, you can put the click on the login, and you can put your distributor ID in the password, and you can be login. This is my ID, but I'm not going to log in right now. Okay, so friends, hope this is my first attempt to explain the site. Definitely it will improve next time. And I'll hope you can comment on this, what to improve and what you need more to be explained. So I will go through that. This is my first attempt, and anyone who is doing for the first time always have a scope of improvement. Even if you are experienced, you always have a scope of improvement. So I'm learning, that's why I'm asking you. Comment in a comment box, please suggest me what to do, how to do, and how I can make better videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, friends.